In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete custom stickers from your WhatsApp on Android. So, first things first, let's open up our WhatsApp and click into a chat that is going to allow us to bring up the stickers. Now, let's click on the sticker icon, which is the icon on the left. And here you can see I'm already selected on my stickers. If I hit the pencil tool, I can now start to select the stickers that I want to delete. Now all we have to do is tap on the delete button and it says remove 9 stickers. Let's remove them, and that's basically it.